Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to start with a new series on Rhino-Linux. So this is the web page or we can say website of Rhino-Linux. So the website is rhinolinux.org. On the top you have got links to home, download, news, tracker, wiki and packages. So Rhino-Linux is Ubuntu based. It is a rolling release. It is community maintained and it is open source. So Rhino-Linux is rolling release Ubuntu based distribution with Packstall. So the package manager here is not APT, it is Packstall, and XFC is the flagship desktop. The download links are here. So first let us check out download links. So you get three ISOs. The generic ISO is there. So it is for the ARM64 and 32-bit as well as 64-bit ISO. Then you have got Pine 64, ARM 64. So this is for the Pine platform. This is for the Raspberry Pi, that is ARM 64 platform. So only three editions are there. Let us go back. Why Rhino-Linux? So Rhino-Linux reinvents the Ubuntu experience as a rolling release distribution built on the stable desktop environment. Packstall is the heart of the distribution, providing essential packages such as the Linux kernel, Firefox, distinctive Rhino-Linux applications and theming. We use same defaults. The XFC desktop environment is used for the stable and rock-solid base. Packstall, our package manager of choice, will always provide the latest software, even those unavailable in the Ubuntu repositories. And our custom XFC configuration provides a unique and modern experience so that you can begin using your computer immediately. So the experience matter, and they have got certain tools and utilities to make your experience great. So there is a setup wizard, your system is there, Rhino-Pkg is there, and the Rhino drop is there. So let us check out the setup wizard. So when you first boot your system, you will be greeted by our elegant setup wizard, giving you the ability to select your theme, install additional package managers, and install additional software to optimize your experience. So Packstall is the main package manager, but you can also install an additional package managers and you can install additional software to optimize your experience. Your system is a handy graphical application that allows for you to view the system information at a glance. Furthermore, it provides a graphical method for you to update all your software packages. So you can use your system tool to check out the system information, and it will allow you to graphically update all your software packages. Our flagship package management wrapper, Rhino-Pkg, makes life easy by allowing you to install, remove and update applications across all package managers and repositories with easy to understand syntax. And our handy guide, you will have all your favorite applications in seconds. So this is a wrapper which works on the top of Packstall and makes your life very easy. You can easily install, remove and update applications across all package managers. Then Rhino drop is there to increase your productivity. It allows you to effortlessly send files across devices connected to your local network. Rhino drop stores no images sent through its platform and operates on peer-to-peer connection with encrypted transmit, so you can be assured that your data is safe. Now coming to the desktop. So Rhino-Linux comes with pre-installed own in-house desktop experience. So it is based on XFC. A custom XFC desktop is available with the best of traditional and modern techs on the desktop experience. Unicorn is fast as well as elegant. So Unicorn is the name of the custom built XFC desktop designed by the Rhino-Linux team, and it is available on all the flavors or versions of Rhino-Linux for all editions of Rhino-Linux. So the Unicorn desktop uses a modified version of U-Launcher, a lightning fast app launcher and directory browser. Just type forward slash or what is this sign to search to your directories. U-Launcher also provides fuzzy search options. A beautiful app grid is provided. It is simple and powerful application, and the app grid is called Lightpad, and it is simple and powerful application launcher that is well and compatible. We have made modifications to the theming of Lightpad to integrate perfectly into Unicorn and Rhino-Linux. A whole new dashboard is there, so you can switch between virtual desktop with ease. We have loaded in XF dashboard. So this dashboard developed by Rhino-Linux team is called XF dashboard with many minor tweaks and improvements. XF dashboard brings GNOME shell like virtual desktop and expose build right into the XFC. And further, you have got intuitive shortcuts, so it will increase your performance on the desktop, and it gives power users more choice to speed up their work. So the app grid or the light pad can be navigated using the arrow keys. Our keyboard shortcuts were designed with intuitivity in mind. You need not move or utilize two hands to use them, as all the keybinds are accessible with one hand from the super key. Each keybind also correlates to the first letter of its intended function. For example, super key plus A is the app grid, A for the app, super S, so it will activate the search bar, S is search, super plus D is the dashboard or expose, super shift M is the turn window into parent, super plus left is focus on the previous window, super plus right focus on the next window. So this Rhino-Linux is meant for the developers. It is perfect for the developers. Developers will fall in love with our vast software repositories, which are always up to date. User repositories such as Packstall can provide help to provide development libraries that is critical for your project. With Codium pre-installed on your system, you begin doing what you want to do the best instantly, adaptive to any workflow. Whether you prefer the traditional floating windows or a fanatic of tiling window managers, Unicorn is perfect. With optional auto tiling, you can easily toggle between floating and the tiling at the press of a button. So I think this is the most exciting feature. So if it is there, then there is a very good competition to Pop OS, because Pop OS is also based on Ubuntu and it offers a great tiling experience. So if Rhino Linux can match the tiling experience of Pop Linux, then we have got a very good alternative to Pop OS. Now let us we have checked the download section. Now let us go over to the news. So this is all the news, you can read it out. I will not go through this. So a lot of things are going on. They are releasing the minor point releases. For example, 20.23 was released, then now 2023.4 is released. Earlier 2023.3 was released. Then there was a release of 2023.2. So they are releasing lot of activities going on. You can see in this 1 year they have released 4-point releases. Then they had a beta also. Beta 6 was also there, beta 5. Then there was open beta. So a lot of things are going on. So this is very we can say very busy Linux distribution with lot of development activity going on. Now let us go over to the tracker. So this is the Rhino tracker, and you can report or search for bugs. How to open the issue is given here. You can contact the developers via Discord or Matrix. So you can go through the guide how to report and search for bugs. So there is repositories for OS and installer tracker. There is different trackers for the OS and installer. Unicorn desktop tracker is there, Rhino-Pkg tracker is there, system application tracker is there, setup wizard application tracker is there, and the Rhino drop tracker is there. So you can go to them. So this is, well, what happens is sometimes all the different bugs are there in one tracker, so then it becomes very difficult. So you have to, every time you have to filter through those trackers. So here the trackers are separate for each of the component of the system. Now let us try out the wiki pages. So here you can see the wiki pages are there. So there is a complete installation guide available here. So you can check this out. You can download the this installation guide also. So you can see quick start guide is there. I think when you install the system, there will be also guide inside the system on the desktop or in the application menu. So you have got the guide for grub bootloader, booting into desktop, installer, everything is there. So it will be a complete experience, and the quick start guide is also there. Let us open this. So this is the quick start guide. So you can read through that. Now finally the packages is there. So let us check out if we can surf through the packages right from the website or not. So Packstall, the AUR for Ubuntu. So this is AUR kind of thing for Ubuntu. So just like the Arch user repository is there, Ubuntu, Packstall is the AUR for Ubuntu, and it is also works as a package manager also. So Packstall uses the stable base of Ubuntu but allows you to use bleeding edge software with little or no compromises. So you don't have to worry about the security patches or the new features. How does it work? Packstall takes in files known as pack scripts similar to package builds that contain the necessary components to build packages and builds them into executables on your system. So here you can see there is a example of some install is there. So sudo bash dash c curl dash fsl https packstall.dev dash q dash install. So it just shows how the Packstall will build the package on your system. And also you can do package search using the Packstall. So this some examples are given. So we will check this out when we complete the review of the desktop. After the review of the desktop, we will try out the different exciting features of this Linux distribution. At that time, we will check out the Packstall also. And finally, yes, this is pending. So you can contribute to the Packstall. You can work on new features, become a package maintainer. You can help with translations. You can help users on Discord, Matrix, Lemmy, Reddit, and Mastodon. You can browse through the packages. So all the packages that are available in the Packstall, you can check them out as a user, or you can check them out as a maintainer. So here you can see the different packages are there. For example, let us try to search for the VLC package. So the package is not there. So we'll have to search. Let us try to search for the evolution package. If it is built by the this Packstall, it should be there, but I don't think why it is not coming up. No package is there, but it should be there. So we'll in the course of our testing, we will surely know why it is not getting shown right here. So now let us come back to the original Rhino-Linux website. Anything is pending? No. Yes, at the bottom, the contact and social connections are given. So you can join the Rhino-Linux discussion on Discord and Matrix. You can connect with them on the social media. So they are available on Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter. And you can, yes, this is very important. You can donate to the project. If you like the project, you should donate to the project. So at least minimum £1 donation can be done, and you can donate as much as you want, as much as you wish, and your name will be added here. So in the feed, so people will know that you are donated, and it's very good because it motivates others to donate also. If they see a lot many users who are donated, then more users are motivated to donate to the project. So I think we have completed everything. Nothing is pending. Yes, nothing is pending. And what is this unicorn? Okay, so this page we have checked. What is the branding? Yes. So this is the branding page. You can see here the color palette used by Rhino-Linux. So it's very nice looking. Something like Endeavor. So the colors they are similar to what Endeavor is using. So that came to my mind, and there are some wallpapers also I have shown here. So you can, I think, download. Yes, I think you will be able to download the wallpapers and save as an image. So wallpapers, I really like all the wallpapers that are shown here. So I am getting excited to check out the actual desktop. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.